Alright, let's break it down. What exactly is a nuclear bomb and how does it work? A nuclear bomb is one of the most powerful weapons ever created by humans. It unleashes energy by manipulating the tiny particles inside atoms, the stuff everything is made of. The process is called nuclear fission or fusion. First up, fission bombs, like the ones used in World War II. Here's what happens. The bomb contains heavy atoms, like uranium or plutonium. When one of these atoms is hit just right, it splits, releasing a massive amount of energy, plus more neutrons, which go on to split more atoms. This sets off a chain reaction, all happening in a fraction of a second. The result? A huge explosion, blinding light, and deadly radiation. Then there's the fusion, or hydrogen bomb, the next level. This bomb uses the heat and pressure from a fission explosion to slam hydrogen atoms together. This fusing releases even more energy than fission. It's basically recreating the reaction that powers the sun, but here on Earth, in a split second. Both types are incredibly destructive, not just from the blast, but also from the intense heat, shockwave, and radioactive fallout that can linger for years. That's why nuclear weapons are so feared and so heavily controlled. So, in just 2 steps, splitting heavy atoms or fusing light ones, nuclear bombs turn tiny bits of matter into unimaginable energy. It's science at its most powerful and its most dangerous. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like and let me know what other big questions you want answered next. Stay curious, but always stay safe.